Brackets. Brackets come in pairs and are used to add extra information to a sentence. This extra information can be a word, a phrase, or even an entire sentence. There are two types of brackets. The first type is parentheses. Parentheses are generally used to add extra information in the sentence. For example, Philip studied all day for the grammar test. I went to the museum with Becky, my best friend. The sentence should still make sense if the bracket element is removed. For example, if we remove all day, Philip studied for the grammar test. The sentence still makes sense. In the second example, if we remove the bracket element, we're left with I went to the museum with Becky. So the sentence still makes sense. The second type of bracket is square brackets. Square brackets show that words have been added to a direct quotation. It may be necessary to use square brackets if you are providing extra information in order for a quote to make sense. For example, we went and had a brilliant time. This quote isn't very clear as there isn't much context. However, we can provide extra information using the square brackets. For example, we went to the theme park and had a brilliant time. If punctuation is required within the brackets, then this should be included before the closing bracket. If punctuation is required in the surrounding sentence, then place these outside the bracket. For example, after lunch, a tuna sandwich, Ali ate an apple. The comma belongs to the surrounding sentence. Therefore, after closing the bracket, we place the comma to show this.